JVC. Tell us about JVC and what you do over there.
Thank you, Gary. I'm General Manager of Engineering for JVC Kenwood, USA. And, JVC is based in Japan, and we've been manufacturing cameras, consumer and professional, for a very long time. Maybe not 100 years, but maybe 90 years. And of course, we have a lot of customers in education because we provide the full range of cameras, not only PTZ cameras, but also studio cameras and camcorders and some very unique cameras for sports applications, which can overlay score in a frame. And I really enjoy talking to educational customers because this is not just production. These are people who are teaching our kids and grandkids to use cameras. So it's very important.
Edgar, I know you're a big fan of remote production and stuff like that. So talk about how you see JVC and your products integrating into that.
You're reading my mind. I was going to say that I'm very passionate about remote production, and we at JVC, we've been using video over IP for much more than 10 years, well before NDI and SRT. But let me tell you, I'm so happy that today video became much friendlier to IT environment, and also there were standards introduced like NDI and SRT, and this truly revolutionized production because now you can easily send video, not only over local area network, but also remotely over the internet. And like I said, those standards like NDI, SRT, which are enabled in many cameras manufactured by JVC and others, I think that's very important, and that is also very helpful to make it easy, efficient, and IT department friendly.
Let's say we had 6 cameras, 2 in the auditorium, the lecture center I described, 2 in the lab I described, and then 2 in, let's say, is in a music room where we're doing music for stuff like that. You don't need 3 sets of people to control that anymore, do you?
No, you don't. And the reason is that it's so closely integrated with the IT infrastructure. The cameras can be controlled over IP. And the moment you bring IP in, that means the internet. And when you bring internet in, that means you can have cameras in LA, studio in New York, and controlling this all from Tokyo. Absolutely.
When you see the JVC product line where people are using stuff, why would they pick one camera over the other? And you've got some new cameras that are really sexy and cool, and why would someone want one of those?
Well, maybe I can make example from our new KY-PZ510 PTZ camera, which is truly universal. First of all, it can do object tracking, so presenter can simply grab a remote like this, press the button, and then camera will be following presenter around the classroom. And at the same time, this camera is capable of producing NDI for local, TriCaster or vMix, and also SRT for remote video switcher. And at the same time, it can also produce RTMPS for Facebook or YouTube. So it's a truly universal piece of equipment, which is very user-friendly, and that's why people like it very much.
You guys have a new camera that you talked about that's going to be a handheld camera with NDI as well. So talk about how you see that working into a workflow for a school where they've got some PTZ cameras and your new camera, which I believe is going to be shipping when?
This is not exactly a new camera. This is GY-HC 500 with a new NDI update. That's what it is.
Great.
And it will be shipping. Actually, it's already in the warehouse, so it will be shipping very soon. But it's a very good point about using handheld camcorders in a studio, and I completely agree with Gregor that it's not only because these cameras will give you better image quality in many cases, but it's also, we're talking about education. And when you use traditional camcorder, you have controls of iris, shutter, lens. You can see f-stop of the lens. You can see the focal distance of the lens. And remember that this is not just for the sake for production. It's also people are learning how to use those cameras. And when they use traditional video cameras in form of, let's say, camcorder, they can truly appreciate the manual controls. And that's where they can learn to understand what is f-stop, what is shutter, and how these parameters affect the production and the image. And our new cameras support NDI as well. And actually, our complete product line of camcorders and PTZ cameras, they also have the same over IP interface, the same control from the browser or from RMLP100 remote controller, and they also can produce NDI and SRT and RTMP, RTMPS. So it's very similar in terms of workflow, but camcorders give you quite unique experience in the studio because of a lot of manual controls.
We want kids to be the integral part of producing the content with the stuff we're talking about. Today's show is really about putting the right tools in the kids' hands. So Edgar, take it away.
I can't agree more. So when you cover sports, you have option to use PTZ cameras, but you also can use camcorders installed on the tripods, which allow to follow game in many cases more precisely. So it's a truly choice of the customer. But good news, you can have combination. Most of our customers use combination of cameras. You can have multiple PTZ cameras, perhaps permanently installed in the venue, so you can have some video coverage immediately. And you would want to mix maybe one or two handheld camcorders on a good quality tripods with a good fluid heads. So now you can follow, especially fast games like basketball. You really perhaps may want to use the human operator to control those cameras. And speaking about sports, we have a couple models of camcorders which have one unique feature, is the score overlay. These cameras can actually talk to the scoreboard and take the score, timer, and everything else and overlay it right here in the low third, and this happening automatically. So this way, you can use this camera as a camera for the lead feed with the score, and then combine it with the PTZ cameras for sideline coverage.
Edgar, your last thoughts?
Well, I'd like to thank everybody for their time for watching this, and don't be shy, reach out to Broadfield, reach out to JVC. My name is Edgar Shane. You will get my email address from Broadfield. We will help you to select equipment, we'll help you to set up equipment, we'll help you to do everything exactly the way you want, and just do it, and we are here to assist.